Today on How It's Made. Launch Ops. Installing a Yale Mostise Smart Lock. Door locks. They first came about 6,000 years ago during ancient Egyptian times. Today, door locks have advanced with modern technology and can be unlocked remotely or with passcodes. These smart locks are essential to casa operations. We promise to keep your focus locked during this presentation. The process begins with cover plates, used to cover existing holes in the door. They're stacked together, and a pre-drilled template is added to the top. Using the template as a guide, drill marks are transferred to the plate below. Once the drill pattern is transferred to each stack, they're labeled and brought to the drill press. Following the pattern, the specialist drills pilot holes through each stack. When all pilot holes are finished, each hole is bored to size. The holes are cleaned of metal shavings. Protective plastic is removed, and each cover plate is ready to be installed. Installation begins by removing the existing lock. The original lock is boxed up, labeled, and returned to the original owner. The Yale Smart Lock is unpackaged, and all hardware is accounted for. After the old lock has been removed, the specialist begins by installing the Mortise cassette and cover plates on the front and rear of the door. Using the pre-drilled holes of the cover plates as a guide, the specialist drills through the wood to make way for the Yale lock hardware. The optional key cylinder is then added. Next, the specialist will install door handles. An optional privacy deadbolt is added, followed by the electronic keypad, which is secured to the backplate. The keypad is plugged into the interior portion of the lock, which is also secured to the backplate. AA batteries are installed, the physical keys are tagged, and the Yale Mostise Smart Lock is ready for programming.